safety ribbon in place and protective visors in Istanbul Airport. Boarding pass controls are carried out without contact. Every aircraft is cleaned in detail with disinfectants after each flight. The HEPA filters inside each plane ensure the air is renewed every 3 minutes. Hygiene experts are now present on all flights. Every passenger is given a hygiene kit. Safe disembarkation is carried out by following the social distance rule and forming a line based on seat number. You can always visit the Turkish Airlines website for more details. Have a safe and healthy journey with TK Extra Care.